Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's our maths lecture and we are on unit number 2. This is our lecture number 19. The name of the unit is Theory of Quadratic Equations. We know very well that for a standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the sum of the roots of quadratic equation is equal to minus b over a. We know very well that in this equation a, b and c are the constant terms, and if we want to know the sum of the roots of any quadratic equation, it will be equal to minus b over a, and the product will be equal to c over a. It means if alpha and beta are the two roots of the quadratic equation, then sum of roots means alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b over a, means minus into coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and alpha beta, that is the product of roots, is equal to c over a, constant term, c is the constant term, divided by coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a and alpha beta is equal to c over a. Now we'll start exercise number 2.3. It's question number 1. The statement of the question is, without solving, find sum and product of quadratic equations. Question is x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. If we compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will conclude that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 3. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation, as we know that the formula is minus b over a. For sum, the formula is minus b over a. S is equal to alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b over a. As b is equal to minus 5 and a is equal to 1, we will have minus into minus 5 over 1, that is 5. And product, that is alpha beta, is equal to c over a. C is 3 and a is 1. So c over a is equal to 3 over 1, which is equal to 3. Our next part is part number 4, and the given equation is a plus b into x square minus ax plus b is equal to 0. If we compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a will be equal to a plus b, b will be equal to minus a, and c will be equal to b. If alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation, then sum alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b over a, as it is the formula which will be used in every such type of question. Minus a, minus into minus a over a plus b, which is equal to a over a plus b. It's very simple. Product is equal to alpha beta is equal to c over a. It's again the formula, c is equal to b, b over a plus b. So this is our answer. Next question is question number 2, and we will do its first part. Question is, find value of k if the sum of the roots of the equation is twice the product of the roots. As given equation is 2kx square minus 3x plus 4k is equal to 0. As we have done in the previous question, we will first find the sum and product of the roots of the given equation. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. Here a is equal to 2k, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 4k. As alpha and beta are the roots, so alpha plus beta according to formula will be equal to minus b over a, which will be equal to minus into minus 3 over 2k, which will be equal to 3 over 2k. And the product alpha beta, that is c over a, is equal to 4k over 2k, which is equal to 2. According to question, sum of the roots of the equation. Sum of the roots of the equation means S is twice the product of the roots. Twice means double. Double means we will write 2p. Sum S is equal to 2p. S is equal to 2p means sum of the roots is twice the product of the roots. Now we will put the values. S is equal to 3 over 2k as we have derived here. P is equal to 2 and we will put these values in this equation. After simplification we will get 3 is equal to 2k into 4. 3 is equal to 8k and k is equal to 3 over 8. This is your required answer. Thank you very much, students. It's end of